In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hidden page in Carrd. By hidden, I mean a page that exists on your site but doesn't appear in your main layout or navigation unless you link to it directly. This is perfect for things like private resources, bonus content, or special landing pages you only share with specific people. Start by heading to carrd.co in your browser. Click Open Dashboard and sign in if you need to. From your dashboard, open the project where you want to add the hidden page. This takes you into the Carrd editor, where you can see your existing sections and elements. In the editor, click Add. From the panel that appears, choose Control. You'll see a type dropdown. Click that and select Section Break. If you don't see Section Break as an option, you may need a Pro plan, since multi-page sites in Carrd require it. Next, give your section break a clear, simple name. Keep it short and consistent. Avoid spaces if possible. This name becomes the section's identifier, which is useful when linking to it later. Once you've named it, click Done. Now the important part, anything you add below that section break lives on a new page within your Carrd site. Think of the section break as a divider that splits your site into separate pages. To keep this page hidden, simply don't include it in your main navigation or visible links. It will still be accessible, just not obvious to casual visitors. If you want to link to it intentionally, add a button element or select an existing one. In the button settings, set the link to go to section and choose the section name you just created. You can also link to it with a URL that includes the section anchor, like yoursite.carrd.co/your section name, which is great for sharing directly. When you're happy with the layout and content on your new hidden page, click Save. Saving frequently helps you avoid losing changes, especially when you're moving elements around across sections. Next, publish your site. Choose your Carrd subdomain or connect your own domain if you've already set that up. Publishing pushes your changes live so you can test them on the actual site. Finally, view your site. Test the link to your hidden page and make sure everything loads as expected. You can also visit the page directly using the section's anchor in the URL. That's it. You've added a hidden page in Carrd, ready to use for exclusive content, onboarding, or anything else you want to keep out of sight but easy to access when needed.